Hello guys, Vistigo here. Today I'm going to show you how to install a script with the help of which you can identify someone's public IP and exact location. First, we have to copy the script from the GitHub repository. Basically what we are doing is just downloading the specific files from GitHub to our computer. Then we have to move to the directory that we just downloaded. Next, we have to make the install.sh to be readable, writable, and executable by everyone using this computer. The following command is going to run all the commands inside the install.sh file. So after completing installation, we are going to go ahead and run the seeker.py script with the help of third version Python. The script is going to be run on the default settings and be identified as port number 80. Now the application is ready to capture data. It uses server to forward the port. When any device will use the following links, the script will capture data and display it to you. But to get the precise location, user will need to give permission to the website. For example, when I enter the URL on my phone and do not give it permission to access my location, it will display all the information about my phone. But when I give the permission, it will show the exact location. So let's examine a situation where you are actively looking for a job, and one day you receive an email saying that, "Dear receiver, thank you for applying to a position in our company. Your CV is outstanding. However, as an HR, I have to confirm that you are living in the city where our company is located. Please follow the link and confirm your location. Kind regards, Jack Daniels." This way, the malicious individual will be able to acquire your location and IP address. The IP address might be utilized in the future to make some DDoS attacks or many other things, so it's important to be careful. Thanks for watching, it's been Vestigo.